You're watching the mommy. Please subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.
Yeah, but it hasn't been too big yet. I didn't hear it rumble. She's talking too much, I think. Is she talking too much? This is your supper, I think.
Chevy, what are you eating? Chips and what else?
Dip. Oh, I hear that.
Hear it? Dip? You hear the thunder?
Want this one?
Sure.
That's fine.
What is that? Is that for your car? Is that for your car? It's starting to dry up, buddy. There's not that much water there anymore.
Where's the wheel go?
I don't know.
Where's the wheel
The wheel? I think it's all gone. I don't think it's there anymore.
Why not getting in the middle? Not getting in the middle.
Well, more rain is coming, so it'll get bigger tomorrow.
That noise.
Somebody's doing something with their yard. Woo, buddy! Good job. You recently learned how to pick up his feet on that swing. You're doing so good, buddy! It's gonna storm soon, so we're getting our outside time in before we're stuck inside all night. What are you doing? Spin yours around. Woo! Is that fun? Is that thunder? Is it loud? It won't hurt your ears. It's not gonna hurt your ears. It's outside.
What inside?
It's outside. We're watching Frozen during our thunderstorm.
Look at
Huh?
it.
Huh? Oh no, is Elsa hurt? Well, Trevor, I think you're gonna have your big puddle outside. It's a raining. She chewed it, huh?
What?
Yeah.
Still
What you doing, buddy?